The smart switch is a battery-operated wireless switch for up to 4 different functions that can control all smart devices from SG. The smart switch can be installed in or directly onto the wall or used as a remote control. Smart switch must be connected to an existing SG smart system. There has to be at least one pre-connected SG smart device before a smart switch can be connected. The functions can be programmed via the SG Smart app. It can be used to activate scenarios or control dimmers, or groups and rooms. First, the smart switch has to be connected to the SG Smart app. Press any key on the smart switch. Symbols for available devices will be shown bottom right in the app. Click a symbol and the app will begin to search for new devices. Click on the new device, which will then be shown as ready. Then click Next. Confirm that the device is ready by pressing any key on the smart switch. Pair can then be clicked on the screen. Press any smart switch key again for final connection. The smart switch can then be given a unique name for easy identification in the app. Finally, click Save. The smart switch will now be paired with the SG Smart app and ready for use. The smart switch can now be seen in the list of settings under Manage Device. The smart switch can be removed by using Pairing Reset under Settings. The first programmable function is Shortcuts, which is the 4 icons at the bottom of the app screen. Click and hold the shortcut you want to program for 2 seconds. When an information text appears on the screen, press the Smart Switch button to be used to activate the selected shortcut on the app. Repeat the process for the other shortcuts. It is now possible to control the lights using the programmed functions on the smart switch. Another function is Group, which can be a room or other area in the building. Click and hold the group to be programmed for 2 seconds. When an information text appears on the screen, press the Smart Switch button to be used to switch on the light. 2 groups can now be added. It is now possible to control the lights using the programmed functions on the smart switch. The third function is Scene. Scenes can be found under Group at the bottom of the screen. Click and hold the scene to be programmed for 2 seconds. When an information text appears on the screen, press the Smart Switch button to be used to activate the group selected. Repeat the process for the other buttons on the smart switch. It is now possible to control the lights using the programmed functions on the smart switch. The fourth and final function is Programming a device. Devices can be found under each group. Click and hold the device's name to be programmed for 2 seconds. The example here is Kitchen Light. When an information text appears on the screen, press the Smart Switch button to be used for the device selected. The selected device can then be dimmed by holding down the key on the smart switch, or switch on and off with a single touch. 2 devices to adjust up or down can be added. It is now possible to control the lights using the programmed functions on the smart switch. For more information on other SG smart devices, visit SG's website.